Traveling brings experiences that you never forget. So when I was a bit younger, I will never forget my first trip to Southeast Asia. I landed in Bangkok. I was sitting under this tree having my first pad thai and sitting in Bangkok. It was a bustling city, and all of a sudden it got really dark and rain started pouring, and that was my first monsoon rain that I ever experienced. In general, I think everyone knows the feeling when coming back from a longer journey and then looking at the life you have. It's always a bit changed. Your perspective has always changed. Your mind is always a bit more open and you're a bit more with yourself. My name is Paula. I'm from Berlin and I'm heading the Change.org team here in Germany. Change is the world's platform for change. So we're helping every day people to create the change they want to see. We're the world's largest petition platform with 50 million users, and here in Germany, within a little over a year, 1.5 million users. We worked for Greenpeace and we mapped out a plan how they could digitalize their activism. And during that project, I realized the amazing scope the internet proposes for civil society and NGOs. It has never been easier, cheaper, and more likely for an individual to start a movement or lead a movement. And through social media and the high connectivity of our world, those courage is seen much more easier. So now when your friend goes to a demonstration or is attending a Facebook event to protest for or against something, you will see that and you'll maybe be inspired about that and you will maybe be encouraged to do the same. Change.org is very proud when individual people, ordinary people, start incredible campaigns where everyone thought before, this is never going to change, this is never going to happen. There's this beautiful story of a young mother, Anke Bastrop from Schwerin, and she was really fed up with the way midwives are treated in Germany. And just after the election in Germany, she started a petition on Change.org and she asked the big parties to make sure in the coalition treaty that the midwives are going to be secured. She mobilized 130,000 people. She had media interviewing her, interviewing parents, and setting the issue on the agenda. And it's the first time that one citizen, together with a group of people, through online networking but also offline demonstration, got one distinct sentence in the coalition treaty, which says that midwives have to be secured in Germany. There's a lot of information out there. The internet has brought, some call it an overload of information to our world. So for issues to peek through, for campaigns to peek through, you have to make sure that you tell a very true and emotional story that resonates with people. I think advantage of a system like Change.org is that it's not one platform running a huge worldwide campaign, but it's 50 million users running their own campaigns in their very own cities or villages. And it's much easier for you to get the attention of your neighbors, your mayor, your teachers, people that are close to you, people that you can actually talk to, than trying to change the world on a meta big scale.